morning, afternoon, or evening. We are groups number 9 and 10, and we're going to talk to you about the handheld masonry saw by Husqvarna.
Alright, so before you use the handheld masonry saw, the PPE you're going to need is a mask, safety glasses, gloves, hearing protection, and steel toe boots. And two optional pieces of PPE that you may need are a hard hat and a face shield.
So once you have all your PPE on and you go to start it, you want to make sure the saw has gas. To check if it has gas, the gas reservoir is right here. It takes 50-to-1 mixture of petrol and oil.
So there are two ways that you can cut. You can cut dry or you can cut wet. And so when you cut wet, you hook up a hose to this, and the water gets fed through this hose and onto the blade. So to turn the water on and off, you just turn this little valve here, this little blue valve, and when you cut dry, you don't need to turn the water on.
So right before you need to start, Alright, so right before you start the machine, you need to make sure that the blade is in good condition. So you need to make sure that these grooves on the blade are not too shallow and worn down. And you also need to spin it and look down the blade to make sure that it's straight. Once you've done that, if you found that the blade is not satisfactory, you need to grab this wrench out here, hook it up to the bolt, pull the bolt out, twist, twist, twist. You pull that out and then put the new blade in and put it all back together, tighten it up really good, throw this back on the saw, and you're ready to start it.
So once you've checked the fuel, make sure the fuel's full. Once you check the blade's tight, secure, there's no cracks, the grooves are good. You hook up the water to it, you want to go and start it. So to go to start it, you want to pull the choke out. If it's cold, you want to pull the choke out, fully out. You want to come over here to this on-off switch. This is on right now. You want to push the guard down, the safety guard, and the trigger down, and push this silver button in, and it will lock the trigger on. Once you've done these, it's a simple matter of stepping on the machine, pulling the pull start. I'm not going to do it because we're inside, and the machine will turn on. You eventually want to push the choke in when the machine starts to idle properly.
Alright, so when you're ready to make your cut, you're going to need to measure your brick and mark where you're going to want to make your cut. Then you want to use a square so you get a straight line. And mark across your brick where your cut's going to be made.
Okay. Just joking.
We hope that this has helped you learn how to use your Husqvarna K750 handheld masonry saw. This has been Group 9 and 10, and it has been our pleasure to help you learn a little bit more about this piece of machinery. Thank you for watching.